So welcome back guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Aziz Khan Official. In this video I will tell you about how to make an educational logo in MS Word or school logo in MS Word. So here you can see the sample of school or educational logo. So before starting the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like my videos. Thank you. So let's start the video. First of all, I will open MS Word. After open MS Word, I will click on insert, go to shapes and select donut and draw it with the help of shift key in this way. After it, I will click on this yellow button to drag it inside such a way. After it, I will go to format, click on shape outline and select no outline, and I will choose color, this one. After it, I will go to insert, click on shapes and select 32 point star from stars and banners options and draw it with the help of shift key such a way. In this way, and go to shape fill and I will select this one and shape outline with no outline, and now I will select this one and drag it to inside such a way. In this way. So after it, I will go to insert, click on shapes and select oval from basic shapes and I will draw it with the help of shift key such a way. So I will draw it such a way and select it in all directions. I will go to shape outline with no outline and shape fill with this one. After it, I will go to insert, click on shapes and again select donut from basic shapes and I will draw it with the help of shift key in this way, and I will put it or set it in all directions. So now I will drag it to this one. I will choose the shape fill color with no fill color and shape outline with red color, and I will increase the weight of the outline to 1.1/2 pt. After it, I will go to file, click on save as and select the type to Word 97 2003 template and click on save. Now I will click OK and click on continue. So I will go to insert, click on Word art and select the font size, font design and enter the name of the school, for example and I will decrease the size of this one to 12 and click OK. Now I will click on wrap text and select in front of text, and now I will go to format, click on change shape and select this one. So you can select it. So after this, I will arrange or I will set this one such a way. So I will now just set it out to this one. In this way. After it, in this way. After it I will go to format and click on the color of the name which you want. I will choose this one and click on shape outline to red. So now again I will go to insert, click on word art and select the font, and now again I will write school and college. In this way I will decrease the size to 24 and click OK. After it I will go to wrap text and select in front of text, and I will go to format, change shape to this one, and I will select it to this one. So in this way, after it I will go to shape outline and select this one, and in such a way, and I will adjust it. So I will again choose the color of this one and shape outline to this one. I will shape outline weight to this and shape outline weight to this one. After that I will go to insert, click on shapes and click on simple 5-star point and drag it. After it I will adjust it with the help of, I will go to insert, click on shapes and draw 5-star with the help of shift key. After it I will make duplicate of this one in this way, so I will select both one, go to font color, shape fill and outline with this one. So here you can see it. After it I will go to insert and select on pictures, and where the school building or something which you want to put it, you should select. Here I will select it. Here are many samples of pictures. I will select this one and click insert. Now I will go to wrap text and select in front of text. Now I will decrease the size of this one with the help of shift key, this one, yes, and I will adjust it, and I will adjust it with the help of this one, like this way. After it I will go to insert, click on shapes and I will select down ribbon and put it in this way. In such a way. So after it I will go to insert, click on word art and I will write something like ISO your registration number or something you want to put it, and OK. Now I will move this one with the help of go to format and click on wrap text and select in front of text. So I will select it in this way, and decrease the size of this one, and decrease the size of this one in such a way. So here almost our logo was ready. Now I will go to insert, click on shapes, and I will select from basic shapes block arc, and I will put it with the help of shift key in such a way. After it I will decrease the width of this one, so you can see this. After it I will rotate it with the select the color of this one and shape outline, color of this one and shape outline, shape outline with red, 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 and shape color, and I will increase the weight, and I will increase the weight in such a way, After it I will go to insert, click on shapes. After it I will go to insert, click on shapes, and select, click on shape rectangle, and select rectangle, and rectangle, in such a way. So I will make duplicate of this one in such a way. So after it I will select both one, format fill with this color and shape outline with this one, and both I will send backward. So here you can see this special logo design which I made. So I hope that you will like my video, and before end my video I will again requesting that please subscribe my YouTube channel to get knowledge about MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, and how to work in MS Excel, like data entry work and keep records of schools, colleges, or employees of any organization or company. So we will in touch with each other. So thank you and take care.